All right, we've got a Lexus GX460 behind me. We're going to install these Weathertech window deflectors on all 4 windows. We're going to walk you through how to do that quickly, and with a little bit of luck, you'll be able to do it on your own. Let's go. What is the point of a window deflector to begin with? I'm just going to tell you how I use them and why I like them. The biggest thing is I have dogs. I want to crack the window, let them have some air. Sometimes people mess with the dogs, they can see them. Other times there's rain and you don't want water getting in, but you got to give the dogs air, things like that. So what this does is it slides inside the actual window channel. There's different types, some go on the outside, but this one goes inside. And the window presses up against this and kind of seals it in place. And so when it's raining, the water will run off the roof, run off this, and drop to the ground. And what I like about that is I can sit inside, crack the window, let the car air out, things like that, without people really knowing that the window's down, but also without water or debris getting in. They look very nice as well. And I like them a lot for pets as well. So it's a nice add-on. These are smoked out, so they look black maybe on camera, but they're actually see-through, but they're pretty much black. And they're not very flexible. Other brands make more flexible ones, which makes install a little bit easier. These are from WeatherTech, first time I'm doing these, but it's a good brand, it's a good product, and shouldn't be very difficult to do. The one thing that I am not impressed with, I was impressed with the packaging from WeatherTech. I was not impressed that they did not bring any little alcohol wipes or anything. So I did like a set of Goodyears on my Tundra, Goodyear window deflectors, and they actually had like a little alcohol swab, and they came with the same tool like this, but a little alcohol swab that you run along the channel of your window. And to me, that was just a nice little add-on, makes everything quicker. Not that big of a deal. I'm a professional. I have my own alcohol, so it's not the end of the world. But for the price, you would think that they would just come with 1 or 2 little wipes in the case. So WeatherTech, add that. But besides that, we're gonna get right into it. We'll start with prep, and then we'll try to fit these in and see how they fit. Let's check it out. All right, I'm gonna start off on this back window here. We're gonna go ahead and spray some alcohol onto this rag. And all you're gonna do is, using the little curled part, you'll kind of tuck that in, shove the rag in there, and run that back and forth a bunch of times. And every time, you'll get a little bit more and more dirt out. So we're gonna move it around, put it back in again, start at the corner, and run it down. And this is just so that the 3M adhesive that they use on these will stick really well. And almost no dirt that time. So that one's pretty much ready to go. We'll move to the front window. So again, you're gonna take your rag, run it down the channel using the alcohol on the rag. And you can see all the dirt there, quite a bit. You're gonna go ahead and remove the stripping. We're gonna start real low, kind of jackknife it in at an angle. Now it's kind of level, slide it up. Take your time, make sure everything is fitting correctly. And just like that, you're able to press on the window deflector. So we're starting at the bottom corner here, fitting it all kind of in. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend in this corner, just like that. And then I'm gonna work it in all the way to the rear there. Working it into the channel. You'll notice this does not have 3M tape. That's because it fits so exact, you don't need it. I mean, that is an insane amount of retention. Like way better than the back. And to be honest, way better than any other brand I've ever put one in. They always felt somewhat loose. The $1,000,000 question is this gonna work with the window? Okay, so what you're looking at now is the inside of the window. We're gonna put the window up, and we're gonna go real slow. You can see that this side's probably gonna connect, or actually this corner's gonna connect first. So I'm just watching it. As long as you don't hear like, as long as you don't see like resistance, the window went up pretty fine. Ignore some of those noises. It's pressing it, it's pressing it. Now I'm gonna bring it down, push it back up, bring it down. See, just kind of moving it around. Getting it used to it. And I'm just gonna do it one more time. There it is. All right, prepping the window on the passenger side rear. And I like to pull it towards the front here, just to get that 3M to connect and to buy some space for the window to actually go up. When you get to that final egg, just take your time with it. Last but not least here, we're gonna do the front window. And I cannot pull this down. I mean, it is exact fitting, so really, really impressed actually with that. All right, so we just finished the install. The front goes on extremely exact, so it fits like a glove. I've never actually seen one that fits this well. Slides right into the channel, does not require 3M, so technically I didn't even have to clean that front window, and it clips right into place. Just requires a little bit of finesse and some manhandling, so don't be too afraid of the product. It's a pretty sturdy product, right? The rear has 3M tape, so you gotta do the prep, but it's a lot easier to put on. Take your time when you're putting the windows up. You know, if it looks like it's resisting or the window stops and wants to come back down, just pull the deflector out, let the window slide behind it. Once it wears out that kind of brand new plastic on the backside, it'll get easier and easier with every single close, right? But besides that, you know, this is an easy install. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.